declare a dictionary and also explore some of its features. So we can define a dictionary. We can see how we should declare a dictionary. So we use curly brackets here and we use values here in key value pair like we are some states inside India and their capital, like I am defining Uttar Pradesh or UP and Lucknow. Like next one value will be Haryana and the capital for Haryana is Chandigarh. Like I'm specifying next one is state and the value for that capital is Patna. So this is how we can define or declare a dictionary, or we can save it. Like so here what we didn't use parentheses. Yes. So this is how we define the dictionary and this is how it is stored. There was no spelling or uh, semicolon mistake was there. So this is our dictionary. Let's so by doing D we can print it. You can have as many as you want key value pairs here. So if you want to access the value, if you do the within his square bracket, you put the value like I want to access the value for Rihanna. So I will put it in the square bracket. Okay. Now I want to print the value for two states. So now what I will do, print D for Haryana, comma D for Bihar. So I will put print here. You can get the value for both. So this is how we can access one or more than one value. This is the first kind of example of dictionary. So this is how you define the key value pair inside a dictionary and you can print them. Now replace the value for a key in dictionary. Like if I want to replace the value for a key in a dictionary. So for that what we will do, let's say I want to replace the value for Haryana. I want to put it, let the capital has been changed and it's Gurugram. So D Haryana Gurugram. If now if I will print the dictionary, then what it is, you can see it has been updated. So you can see the value for the key and it has been changed for Haryana. That's how it works now. Insert a new key value pair. If I want to insert a new key value pair, what I need to do for it? Like I want to Japan here. I want to enter like a country within a square bracket, and we are replacing it with Tokyo. We we are putting the new key value pair as Japan Tokyo, name of the country and his capital. So we if we run here, we can see a new value has been added for the Japan for new key value pair for the Japan. The capital is capital is Tokyo. If we want to delete a value, delete a key value pair. So if I want to delete del d the same value, if I want to delete Japan for some reason, so we can see the values for a key value pair will be deleted. So if you give this command del d Japan, the value will be deleted here. It has been removed. So if you are going to search this value, what it will have? Will it show a record? This is how you delete a value, and after deleting it, if I search for this, it won't show any record. Now just sorting a dictionary. Sorted D. You can see the value has been sorted in alphabetical form B, H, U. Now let's define a dictionary, same dictionary again. What we will do, I will just copy it here. So we are defining same dictionary again. If I want to extract all the values from it, what I will do for extracting the information, I will just put the values, extract all the values. What I will do, I will do d dot values here, and you can see all the values here. Like this is key, these are values Lucknow, Chandigarh, Patna. In the similar fashion, we can extract all the keys. If we extract all the keys, what will be the command? D dot keys it will show all the dictionaries values. So good for storing, accessing the values. So what we have done, we can extract the values, keys, we can insert or delete, we can show a dictionary, we can describe a dictionary, we can insert a new pair, we can delete a pair, we can replace a pair, how to declare a dictionary. We have learned all these things here in dictionary. Now you can also update a dictionary by update method. So update method now. For update method, if we do d dot update, this is how we can use update method. Within bracket, we will use curly brackets and we will do, we will describe the values within pair. So what we will do here, we will describe a new key value pair. Like if I want to add here new country and the corresponding, what I want to add here, if I want to add here USA and a particular city there, that is some important city there, so what it will show. So this is how you can update the dictionary. So we have learned so far all basic operations of dictionaries and how to store dictionaries, how to declare a dictionary, and what is the application and use of dictionary we have seen earlier. So please like and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much.